Hi, Leah. I am just making a quick video to hopefully clear up where footnotes should be on the paper. Your paper, first of all, like I said, was fantastic. This was just one real little thing that could move you to the exemplary category and really all of the rubric. So I'm looking at the first main section of your paper's body, and you have the subheading of Winston Churchill's Iron Curtain speech. And then following that subheading, you have a footnote. And as you said, you used Microsoft Word's footnote feature, and that's great. That's how you should do it. My suggestion, though, to keep it more in line with typical way that history papers and books are presented, is instead of putting the footnote here right after your subheading, the footnote should be placed here at the end of the bibliography. So a quick fix of a paper like this would just be to take your footnote there, go and click Insert Footnote as you did, and then that moves it into the correct spot, which would be right up there at the end of that first paragraph. Really every paragraph, I could see what you're doing, honestly, by placing the footnote there as more of a catch-all, so it becomes obvious to the reader that all of the information under that subheading is indeed drawn from that source. But to keep things standard with typical Chicago style, your first footnote should be there at the end of this paragraph right there, and then your second footnote, also to the original Churchill speech, should be located there after the second paragraph. And you can just delete the footnotes that are by the subheadings. I hope this clears things up. I just wanted to make a video because I thought this might be easier to explain rather than trying to type it in an email. Please let me know. Thanks.